He never gets any glory, and when he's gone, no one will remember his story. He's the outsider, no one remembers his name, but he works all day, waits at least 6 weeks to get paid. Look at his hands, picture blisters and bloody sores. Obstacle away, his piece of shit Commodore, no license, but he missed the bus having met him. I'm pretty sure they don't give a fuck. He works 6 days a week to go home and sleep, then goes out so nobody can tell him that he's weak. He only feels good when he's hitting a verse, or when he thinks about the ways that it could be worse. He's got a girlfriend that he doesn't give a fuck about. Doesn't matter, they both tend to sleep around. He keeps her close and keeps him from freaking out when his mates tell him that there's nothing to get mad about. He treats her like shit, she treats him like shit. They don't have any friends, their house looks like shit. He only feels good when he's hitting the verse, or when he thinks about the ways that it could be worse. Another grand just slips through his hands, gonna flip shit quick, he just sink in the sand. He's got a plan, and I know it shouldn't take him long. He could write 6 songs while he's puffing on a bong now. He does his mum proud, hanging with the wrong crowd on cloud 9, but it's all about to drop down. Put the pippy down, you used to be a good guy. A little bit of green, that's the only way to get high. You rock a tie-dye, thinking that you're side. Why? Only getting high enough to watch your life fly by. You stay awake and it's making mistakes seem more evident, like you're living in a bad dream. It's that crack screen, hungry for a pack fiend, dressed like a G, but you're caught up in a wax scene. You're depressed and they don't give a fuck. You can feel it in your chest like a lung full of mud. I wish this day would fucking end, so I can go back home to bed. Tomorrow get up and start again, cause maybe I'll feel better then. I wish this day would fucking end, so I can go back home